Here's a noon update for April 16, 2013 on the S&P 10-day 1-minute chart. Essentially, we got a fifth wave, clearly a fifth wave, because of how far we've dropped. And we have 1, 2, 3, and we only got a 4 to 1566.5, truncated in the fifth wave and reversed. So there's a possibility that this rally could extend to 1580 in the S&P by the end of the day. So if we get 1580, that'll be 0.618 of the entire drop, from 1597.5 to 1552.5. So we got at least, the worst case though is we get a fifth wave down, but it may truncate here because the fourth wave was larger than normal if this was a fourth wave. But best case scenario, we get 1580 by the close and an upward 2, minimum. For the Dow, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And if we ride 0.618 from here in the Dow, it would ride as high as 14,800. If we do drop in a fifth wave, it may truncate as well and then reverse over 14,800. So we may have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the Dow. For NASDAQ, looks like 1, 2, 3, 4. May have truncated fifth wave, maybe a short truncation, which is an upper 2 minimum. The upper 2 minimum would be about 32.75 in NASDAQ. But if you can close about 32.75 in NASDAQ, S&P we can close above 1580, and Dow we can close above 14,800. There's setup. That would be a setup to break a new 10-day high. So usually corrections in bull markets are really fast. So if it's a really fast correction, it's typically and that's how fast bull markets typically have fast corrections. So that's why if this is a slow, gradual decay, I would not be talking about a reversal back to the highs. Yeah. By the way, I launched metals and forex products for my website in the past couple days, and it was a very big success. Funny thing was, people were willing to pay for once a week videos of my of those forecasts for metals and forex, but I found out that I can password protect the blogs. So that means I can post 2 or 3 blogs a day, as opposed to one video a week. And people were still willing to pay money to have an annual subscription for those products. But now that I have 2 or 3 blogs a day on each of those products, it'll increase the value of those products. So if you're interested, the 170 right now, I might do a sale for metals and forex, but the 170 right now, but when I have a sale, they're 79. But if you can request, but I won't. I'll think about it. But and also I'm doing pre-orders for the top 10 ETFs, top 10 technology, and the most demanded product of them all, futures. So if you guys want to have a weekly forecast of futures with 3 blogs a day, pertinent blogs a day on futures, S&P, Dow, and NASDAQ futures, it's time to pre-order, because that is probably going to be the biggest product. My biggest product is probably going to be S&P futures, or futures of Dow, NASDAQ, and S&P. So if you want to pre-order it, it's on my main site, wavegenius.com. That's a wrap.